Hello, Hanji flower has bloomed again today. The work you see here is a Korean paper prop made by Zoom Technique. You can use it as a teacup or a Hanji frame. Now, let's start making it. This is a piece of Hanji completed by Zoom Technique. I'll wet these 2 slices of cut Hanji and zoom it. Prepare 2 different colored pieces of Hanji. Put Korean paper in the water and let it soak. Make sure the water is well permitted. I'll wet the paper again. Squeeze 2 overlapping sheets of Hanji with your hands to drain. Drain the dried Hanji and continue to Now, 2 sheets of Hanji with Zoom Technique are attached with water. I'll work with another 2 papers. Pete. Subscribe and like it. I'll repeat with the same method. I'll spread it out and soak it in water one more time. And then I'll put it back together. The 2 sheets of Hanji are well attached. Wet them again and massage them for natural wrinkles. Squeeze the water out. The natural wrinkles are completed. I'll continue to work on the other clumped Hanji. If it's still before your subscription, please subscribe. I'm going to glue my paper. When you glue it, the hanji becomes strong and hard. Dry it well when you're done. I've worked on a variety of whites and other colors. Dry it well. Wow! The hanji made by Zoom Technique is well done. It's two colors, so both sides are so pretty. Don't you think the natural wrinkles are pretty too? I made some white ones too. You'll be proud of yourself after doing this. Please look forward to zooming work. I'm going to make small petals with zoomed hanji. I think the wrinkles are so pretty, so I can use them in a variety of ways. I'm going to cut it and make petals. Cut it 1 centimeter. Cut the petals into 1 centimeters times 3 centimeters pieces. Cut each end of the petal into a circle. Turn a petal to both sides and put it in the center. Use a thin stick to make it natural. make the petals look like ribbons. With these petals, we can decorate the teacups or Hanji frames. How was the zooming technique? You will be able to use it more diversely. Thank you for being with me today.